My name is Haley Hedinga, and God has given me an amazing roommate and friend, Cheyenne Young. So for the better part of this last year, I've really struggled and I've gone through some challenging situations that I wasn't sure how I was going to get through, but Chey has always been there for me. She's always been a really positive influence in my life.
My name is Benjamin Chester Bristow, and I'm a Staff Sergeant in the United States Marine Corps. I've had the opportunity to serve my country now for almost 12 years. In these 12 years, I've served 5 tours overseas, 3 in Iraq and 2 in Afghanistan. I've been blown up 14 times, taken shrapnel in the hip and elbow, and I've taken a round to the chest. I've also been found at the base of an Al-Qaeda house as the #1 target to be killed in a city called Karma.
About 2 months ago, I finally realized that I just couldn't live my life that way anymore, and I made the decision to let God back into my life. Chey was the first person that I told, and she was so excited and she was so happy for me. And the next day, she brought me to Existence Church, and it just so happened to be Transformation Sunday, and it was the day that changed my life in the best possible way.
During the last few weeks of my grandfather's life, we were able to talk with him about salvation and the wonderful message of Jesus. During this time, he accepted the Lord as his Savior, and instead of thinking he might go to heaven based on some things he might have done in the past, he knew he was going to heaven.
So I think God has given me Chey so that I could follow through with the decision that I made that night and come here to Existence and build a relationship with him and ultimately give him glory and give him honor.
My name is Benjamin Chester Bristow, and God has given me an understanding of my place in His kingdom.
My name is Brianne, and God gave me opportunities to share the gospel with my family.
My name is Haley. God gave me Cheyenne, and I gave myself to God.